hope you guys can hear me. Um, Today, as you can see, we hit the 8:30 in the morning, New York time. Now, what if we took this little OTB over here? See how clean the price action. Now, obviously, as you guys know, that today is bank holiday, so I'm not gonna be like looking for any trade setup. But I will if we got any. Let's see if we got any kind of trade setup or not. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. Now we have these highs over here, which we have taken out. Now, as I told you guys, what I will be looking for is that's what I'm looking for. Price to get a run from here. Now that's not very obvious. If we got, I wanted to see this. This should X as a market structure shift. If price gave us this market structure shift, then this would be our inversion. You see that? This would be our inversion fair value gap. Okay. Get the okay. Doesn't matter, folks. Now I'm also looking for now we have this inversion. You see that? We have this inversion fair value gap. I also like to look at the XAUUSD. If you guys can hear me, just do let me know, okay? Just do let me know, please, if you guys can hear me. Let's look at this. Let's mark out this zone over here. This is the 8:30, okay? Now if you look at this, we have this swing high over here. Okay, as you can see, we have taken out this swing high. Now what I'm looking for, as you can see, we have to cut these relative equal highs as well, the swing high as well. So let's mark this out. already taken out the liquidity from the markets. You see that? The swing highs, the equal highs has been taken, swing high has been taken. Now we will be looking for some kind of sharp move so that we can get an entry. Now we have this breaker over here. Now as you can see, if we got an entry, would be getting an entry in the macros. Okay, that's what I'll be looking for. We should get an entry in the macros. Okay, folks. Now, as you can see, we don't have any red folder news right now. Right, today is the bank holiday. We have news on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But these all are the tradable days. Because when there is no news in the market eventually moves lower. Okay. Now you see we have this little fair value gap over here. If we took an entry from this, but since we are in bullish market structure, right? We took this low over here. If we mark out this low, we have taken out this low, and now the price is looking for the buy side, obviously. So that's why we can take an entry from this buy over here. You see that? And our overall market structure is kind of bullish, you know. Here we are. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. US chart. Spread is killing me, folks. If you took an entry from here, you see that's the reason why I don't trade on these kind of. Let's go to silver bullet and let's turn on the macros. Let's turn the macro on this one. I think I have turned it on. Yes, you're right. Okay, folks, you see, the spreads are killing us, folks. That's the reason why I don't majorly, because the spread on the nest that kills us. It's killing me, folks. We got an entry from this point. You see, this is market structure shift. All right, you see that we have this imbalance. We could hit this consequent encroachment. Those who knows about the consequent encroachment, they should know that price hits the center point of any fair value gap or any wick, and it eventually moves away from that point. Spreads are killing me, folks. Spreads are really killing me. Okay, here's the macro has been started. You see that? We have this inversion. This is the inversion. This could act as an inversion fair value gap. See that? We have this 2-minute inversion fair value gap. Let's look at this. Let's look at this. Yeah, we have marked out our previous daily high. Market sentiment is pretty bullish, you know. So see, we have already been into the internal range liquidity. Now obviously once the market took the internal range liquidity, it will eventually go for the external range liquidity, which we have this swing high. You see that? Swing high we have. What I'm waiting for is some kind of short move so that we can get a market structure shift or any kind of shift in market structure. Yeah, that would be great if we got anything like that. We have this. turn on this, we have better picture. You see that's our breaker block. This could X. You see that's what ICT say. In his teachings though. If we mark out this, you see this is the range we have over here. You see we have got an entry. You see that? We can take an entry. The aspects is actually giving us an entry, right? You see the SMT we have over here. The price is just going higher and higher. You see we have got an entry. What else you want from this, folks? We actually got an entry. see how candles are respecting this fair value gap, folks. How clean these candles are respecting. If we did got an entry, how are we gonna took this? Like this would be our sale. This the most recent high would be our this. Now would be targeting like these lows over here. This is the real nice setup, folks. You see that? In the NASDAQ, we didn't got an entry. You see that? This is the same exact pattern ICT teach in his 2022 mentorship in first or two lessons. You see that? Oh, folks, what else you wanted to do? Woohoo! You see that? It didn't give us an entry. But as I told you, if we got an entry, folks, you see how clean is the price action. It's a holy grail, folks. It's a real holy grail, folks. If you can believe it, just do it. Or else leave the things the way they are. What else you wanted to see, folks? Whoever is watching, if you took a trade, just hit the like button, folks. Hit the like button. You see how we drop in? Holy grail. Holy grail, folks. Now what else I'm watching is the gold. That's what I'm watching, actually. You see, I took an entry from this. Holy grail, folks. Holy grail. I want you to look at this. Look at how clean the price action is, folks. Holy grail, folks. Just let me know in the comments how many of you took this trade. Let me know in the comments below, folks. If you're not doing that, you are cheating with me. Hit the like button, folks. Hit the like button. Hit the like button, folks. This is your responsibility to do this. You gotta trade. A very good setup though. You gotta have hit the like button, folks. Why you are not doing that? Let me see. No one is watching. I don't give a damn. Just do let me know, folks. I have given you a real nice setup. A real nice setup, folks. I'm telling you. I have given you a real nice setup, folks. Real nice setup. But you guys are not appreciating me. That's not a big deal. I want to stop doing that. You see how clean is this, folks? How clean. Why you guys are doing this? Just look at this, folks. I have given you the trade when the price is at this point. You can't take a trade in the NAS. Why you were doing this? I told you, folks. If you do not appreciate the hard work, you are not gonna get shit off me again. You see that? Oh my god, folks. You shouldn't be doing this with me. This was the breaker. Oh my god, folks. We have achieved the 3RR, folks, successfully. Oh my gosh. We have got 3RR in the live. Whoever is watching live, they should got the move. Eyeball should be there. Eyeball has to be there, folks. Just do let me know. Here you can see, folks. I told you sometimes the NAS didn't give us an entry, but at the same point, when we look at the NASDAQ SPX, there is an entry. There should be an entry for us, folks, and that's how we got enter. Even though if we didn't got the entry, you see that this 3RR, we have completed this. The market potentially can still go below this, but that's all. We are done. No more messing around. This is the silver bullet. You see that? We are in the silver bullet as well. Oh my god, folks. Just do let me know in the comments how many of you took this SPX trade. We have got the TP. There you go. Now we are done with this shit, folks. See this, folks? If none of you took the trade, that's your bad, folks. That's all your loss. I told you. That's the reason I opened the SPX chart. Because what happened is there are some uncertainties when we didn't got an entry in the NASDAQ, but we did got the entry in the SPX. So that's why at the same time I turn on the chart of the SPX 500 and see how clean entry we got, folks. How clean. And how clean the price is respecting this fair value gap. You see that? See this. There you go, folks. Let me know if none of you took the trade. I can't do nothing for you, folks. Nothing. It's not actually the daily. I have this written down over here as a daily. You see that, folks? I told you. Can potentially go to these relative equal lows. You see that? These are the lows we have over here. I personally took this gold trade, but right now, why I didn't took this SPX trade? It's a clean setup, but due to the spread, it's way too much, folks. Way too much. You have no idea how much spread I'm having. That's why I didn't took this trade. Other than that, if I got an entry in this, I would be more than happy to take this trade. This is a real clean, nice setup, folks. Real clean, nice setup. How many times you want me to say this? Real clean, nice setup. How many times? So, we are done for today, folks. I won't be doing any more lives since I got, like, not today obviously, since we already took 3 RR on gold and the same, like almost 3 RR on the SPX. And obviously those who knows the correlation of NAS and SPX, they would took an entry in the NAS as well. They don't need to, because I was keep telling you that sometimes NAS don't give us an entry, but at the meantime, if we look at the SPX, it did give us an entry. And how clean is this entry? See that? I swear how clean the price is expecting this fair. So until then, until tomorrow, good luck folks. Take care. Bye for now.